we've got some wheels in the back. Rota P45 R2s, I believe. They're discontinued. Just picked them up from some guy in Naperville. Older gentleman, really freaking cool. Like, he's a good guy.
Clark's a great guy, man. He's totally gonna take care of Angela, man. He's great. He's a wonderful lab partner.
Invited me to the Autobahn racetrack to come on by and bring the car. He really loved the Evo, even though it's in terrible shape right now.
Trash? No, toys.
Definitely excited to see it on the track, honestly. So the track isn't open yet, but for sure we'll have it ready by then. The Evo, just a couple of things that we need to do, but basically the first mod we're gonna do are these wheels, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. Cleared the Brembos, excited for that. Gonna paint them white possibly, or just refinish them and resell them. This is a crazy opportunity. $800 these wheels go for, and I think I want to just flip them. That's easy money. Picked them up for about $450 or something like that. But excited to see how they turn out. I'm gonna get home right now and I'm gonna show you guys the wheel. And we finally made it back. Finally got the wheels. It is chilly. I'm excited. Let's put the wheels away. I'll show you the wheels and how messed up they are. Yeah, so like I said, guys, they're not even bad looking wheels, you know? They got the typical Curbrash and whatnot. Let's see what the worst one looks like. That's pretty bad there. Got some scratches on this one there. This was the cleanest one, easiest one to fix. I do remember seeing one that was pretty bad, but I guess that was it right there. I guess this will start the first thing to do for the Evo, or not, we'll find out.
The next day.
And we're back with the wheels, the Rota PF45Rs, 18 by 9.5. What we're gonna be doing is fixing the Curbrash. First thing we want to do is clean the wheel, and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. Hot water, purple power, and I will be using alcohol with a little spray thing I'm gonna use from that to that, so that it's easier to dry off. So first thing's the water, next thing's the degreaser, and alcohol. Alright, got the wheel all clean and ready to go. Alright, the next thing we're gonna want to do is use this Scotch Brite here. It's probably the best sanding thing that I've used yet. Already seeing how it looks here compared to not scuffing it up. And I like how it's looking there, scuffing it up perfectly. All it is this little thing right here. I think it's like 600 grit paper, but this works so good. And then we're gonna hit it with the gun to get all around there with 120, and then move up from there. All right, so we're starting to scuff this side right here, and as you can see, it is looking a whole lot better than that. Boom, boom, just keep on going around the sides, hitting it with the 120, even though I think 60 grit is gonna be a whole lot more effective for these worst parts. All right, we're back here, and this was the one chunk that was really bad. Now it's nice and smooth and gone. I'm gonna go ahead and use 60 grit because I think it's gonna be a whole lot faster. I'm using this kit here from Amazon. It had everything you need to go ahead and use this drill that you can open up that little hole in there and go ahead and start sanding. It's a whole lot faster, helps a lot. Like I said, I was using 120 and now I'm using the other 60, and I also got that on Amazon as well. All right, went ahead and got the whole wheel done. No more Curbrash. Just make sure you look for any imperfections. So I hit it with 60 like we said, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with 300, then I'm gonna hit it with 600 to make the edges smooth, and then we're gonna get into the middle with the Scotch Brite. I went ahead and scuffed the whole wheel up here, as you can see, and right here I had a couple of indents. I hit it with 120 to lower it down, then I hit it with 400, and then I finalized it with 600. So let's see how it turns out. Next step is primer. Paint and primer. We're gonna do white, and then we're gonna put the clear. All right, got our first coat of primer here, and it is looking good. All right, so while this one dries up, I'm gonna be cleaning that one up, and I'll do a little time lapse of me working on that one and me spraying on that one.
Take that California trip. Ka-chow.
One of these handled 2 wheels with all the scuff, and they were pretty bad. So I mean, if they're not that bad, then they're good. And then I was using 120, and that's the 60. I was using the 400 wherever it is, and the 600. As far as degreaser and alcohol and water, still pretty good on material, so not that bad. Just make sure to be ready to clean up. Alright, so just hit it with the final touch of white paint. That's how they're looking. After this, I'm going to clear coat it. Probably raise the garage a little bit, let the sun hit it a little bit, and then see how they turn out. Alright, I know I forgot to mention what stuff I am using. I'll mention it at the end of the video, but I'm going to hit the 2 wheels with clear now all over the wheel, probably like 3 coats. And then after that, I'll continue the video into tomorrow. So it'll be another day, and I'll finish the other 2 wheels and show you a little before and after. And that's what they look like in the sun.